Hello, welcome back to The Secret Garden. Today we're going to talk about how to make sure we continue to have a successful garden once your plants have started to grow. So something that's really important, we talked about making sure that the soil is the right mixture of soil and compost. So something that you can do is add a fertilizer to your garden. And we, being an environmental education learning center, want to focus on practices that are good for the environment. So we'll include some different recipes for fertilizer you can make at home, and it's just with ingredients you would have around the house. So one of those is Miracle Grow. That's going to help to increase the yield for your plants. You can see we have our tomatoes back here. A lot of our tomatoes look pretty good and ready to pick. They have a pretty high yield this year. One thing that happens with tomatoes is that they can, if the soil doesn't have enough calcium, they can have a calcium deficiency. So when that happens, the bottom of the tomato kind of blackens and rottens out. So we have another recipe that helps to increase the calcium in the soil as well as the nitrogen to help those plants grow and continue to grow and not have rotted out tomatoes. Besides making sure that the soil is really good, we also are worried about pests. So we have a natural pepper garlic spray that'll help to keep aphids and spiders and other insects away so that they don't kill and eat your crop. Rabbits are also a big problem. You can plant marigolds in the garden and that helps to keep rabbits away. My grandma just told me that she's gonna try pinwheels to see if the reflection from the pinwheels will keep rabbits away. So we'll include these different recipes and these tips so that you can use them at your garden at home to help you have a successful garden and to yield lots of tomatoes or peppers or zucchini or whatever you're growing in your garden. See you next time. Bye.